Hey everybody, Brian here from CNA Vans, one of the owners and founders here. Let's show you our brand new show van, Nirvana, and a brand new layout. Come inside. So now we're inside of Nirvana, and one thing we really got a lot of inquiries about over the last year of shows is more seats. What we want to do is give you 2 more seats, not only for your kids, family, friends, teenagers, anybody who's coming with you. So right here we have 2 seats that also fold into little beds right here. So you pop this lever, this will slide forward and fold all the way like such. Put your little seat belts down in there. Pull the other one, and this will now fold down as well. Pop this one down like that, and you actually have a nice little single bed here. So this is something for if you have a small kid, you want to put a little extra foam on here, or just a quick little day bed nap if you don't have your back bed set up. It's also really cool to have the setup like this over here, and it actually does make a really cool little bench seat. So right here we do have a full-size window with a built-in bug screen, so you can get a little more airflow in the back here. Coming into the back of the van, this is something you've never seen from us before. Instead of having what we usually have is either a scout bed back here or a lower social dinette, we kind of did a little bit mixture of both. So instead of having the bed that slides forward right here, the bed is actually on these pivots right here, these pivoting hinges on both sides, and it'll actually both fold in right here to make a full-size bed. But before I show you that, I just want to show you how much more storage you get down here. On this side, you have all of your electronics down below and access to them really easily in case you need to get to any fuses or add more things in the future. L-track everywhere on the walls, the floors. And in the L-track are these really cool seats that we found that bolt right into the floor. So if you do have some kids or something like that, or you're just kind of working remotely, you're having a little meeting back here, it's a fun little spot to have that. We have been able to mount mountain bikes and small dirt bikes and some really fun toys back here with these L-tracks in the floor. Another really cool design that we came up with in the last couple months is these radiused uppers. This is a really cool concept where you have the same type of laminate that radiuses all the way around from the bottom to the front, and inset doors with the soft close and the stay open hinges. So between your 2 extra front seats here and the bed, we have our dinette and sink here. So everything here had to kind of squeeze a little bit smaller because of adding the extra seats, but you still have full functions of a single use induction cooktop here, your storage for all of your plates, cups, bowls, cutlery in there, a stand-up fridge with a little freezer in there, and the sink over here. We like to do deeper sinks in here just so you don't have everything splashing out if you were to leave anything in here while you're driving. Super easy to get to your water right here. Also, you can shoot that outside if you want to spray something off outside the door. For the water capacity, we have a 22-gallon fresh water tank that sits over the wheel well right here. No water heater in this one, but it can be added if you wanted to lose a little bit of the storage here. Outdoor shower out the back here. In the electrical compartment, we have 2 206 amp hour lithium batteries. You can also upgrade that to 3 or 4 of those lithium batteries. We use RedArc, which is an amazing electronic system. We give you a really easy to use display, an app on your phone that you can control anywhere you want. Super easy to wire into for us, so we can control all of our really cool LED lighting, dim them all, control our water heater on there, our Starlink, all kinds of things like that.
I'm Nate Murphy, author of the Van Conversion Guide, and I just want to let you know that I'm running a free online training which will teach you how to make van life free or profitable. I will show you how to choose a van and build it out and avoid the one big mistake that most people make. I will show you how I made van life completely free and a bunch of other stuff that people don't really talk about. If you'd like to join, click the link here or in the description and I'll see you there.
Our oak ceiling you can see here, and like the different colors of LEDs in here, it really pops. We matched that with a countertop, so a thick butcher block oak countertop as well. We did, however, go with just the bamboo on our folding bed system because bamboo is such a strong and proven material that we've used for heavier duty items like that are going to be holding some weight, which is really fun. All right, so I want to show you how quickly you can make a massive bed back here. So what we came up with is a really cool idea with these extrusions that slide out from under here on these 90-degree hinges. Pop both of them out. You've got your bamboo that folds over. You've got these custom mattress pieces that fit into the capsules there. Same on this side. And then also our custom mattresses. So these can easily be added right here and strapped up against the wall, or keep them in your garage until you need them. just like that, in about a minute, you're going to have a massive bed platform. All right, so here we are in the fully built out bed. Number one, you'll see we put the AC right above the bed, so that's nice and comfy in a hotter environment. But I just want to show you real quickly like how nice the radius cabinets are. So when I bring my head back, you're not having that sharp edge. And if you were to be coming up, you wouldn't have a sharp edge hitting your head if it's nighttime and you are not paying attention, right? So I'm 5'8" for comparison. I'm almost all the way against the wall right there. I lay down, I still have at least about 6 to 8 inches here of headroom. And same thing if I turn around and go this way, I'm about 5'8". I'm touching the back door. So it's about 5.5 foot this way and about 6'5" this direction. All right, so you can see the queen size bed here, but let's show you what it looks like down below, a little more detailed with it in bed mode. All right guys, so before we show you under the bed, I just want to show you a little bit of the exterior features of our van, and everything you see here is our products made here by Sandy Vans. So our biggest seller, our most well-known product, the Boost Box. The Boost Box got an upgrade recently. So right now on our website, you'll see the upgrades you can do to your Boost Box, all the add-ons, the MOLLE panels. We've got side MOLLE panels, front door MOLLE panels, and MOLLE panels that you can put inside of your Boost Box with a couple different ski and shelving options. You'll also see back here our rear step, one of our best sellers as well. Just gives you a much larger area to step on the back of your van. Also our newly designed tire carrier that mounts to your back door. All right, so underneath the bed, let's check it out. All right, so underneath the bed, like I was saying, there's tons of storage down here. You also have these panels that can access your water pump, your water tank, your electrical and everything easily in case you need to move around anything or change anything. Up here, personally, when I've taken the van on a couple trips, I love shoving like my mountain bike gear up here, wetsuits or towels or anything you're gonna be using outside the van, not all your clothes or anything. In the floor, I was mentioning, you have the L-track inserts. I have put like a small pit bike in here, but our favorite thing to do is put the mountain bikes in here. When you take your front tire off, and you use some really cool fork mounts, you can easily roll 2 mountain bikes back here. So the exterior of our van is fully customized and built out. First things first, you might see is some beefy wheels on here. We worked with our guys over at Wheel Pros to get some Black Rhino bronze rims on here with their brand new, actually Wheel Pros exclusive tire, the Avic. Awesome, really rugged off-road tire. We've taken up to a couple shows and gotten off onto the back roads a little bit, and it's really fun, not too noisy. We got our own new awning now that is gonna be on our website in the next couple months here, the Sandy Vans 144 awning. It's got all full blacked out legs, also a built-in LED light on all of our awnings. All right, so here we are close to our below deck storage. As I said, we did a combination lock on here, which is really rad, so you just remember your combination, and you can open it up, and it gives you a little bit of storage in there. I like to put, personally in my van, I have them with tie downs, different winch straps and things like that. Coming over to the other side, your driver's side of your 144, we have our driver's side step, which is in the package when you order our side steps, and our ladder. So I'm gonna use our ladder to get up to one of our newer products I wanna show you real quick, the AC cover. Here we are on the top of the 144, a little dirty as you can see, because I mean, who comes up on the roof of a van every single day? But we've got our AC cover, which is a really fun new product that we just came out with. 2 different pieces that you can mount up here with crossbars under it and a wind fairing. This is a great spot because you have this huge AC up here and you kind of want to hang out up here on your van or strap stuff down. So we came up with this fun idea. You also want to have solar up here. So this gives you an extra spot where you're not accidentally stepping on solar panels when you get into your roof, and you actually still use your roof as a decking space. Thank you guys so much for visiting us over here at Sandy Vans. We'd love to see you guys down here at our shop in San Diego. If you're interested in talking vans, getting a new van, one of our layouts, one of our products, or we even do van rentals, come see us on sandyvans.com.